Ditch the pot and hop on the air fryer train. With the right temperature, hard-boiled eggs are just a fry away. I'll show you how to make perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs without any explosion drama. First, carefully place the room temperature eggs into the air fryer basket. Make sure that you don't add any water, as we are actually not boiling them. Then, carefully place the basket in the air fryer. For hard-boiled eggs, set the air fryer timer for 15 minutes and set the temperature to 135 degrees Celsius or 275 degrees Fahrenheit. While the eggs are cooking, put some ice and water into a bowl. When the eggs are ready, immediately remove the egg from the air fryer and put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Also, check out my latest post for 11 uncommon things you can cook in an air fryer and 4 foods you should never cook in an air fryer. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.